Hey everybody, it's 5:23 and 13 seconds on November 1st. This is the drawing for the two Amazing Spider-Man 361s. First Carnage, one of them is a 9.4 slab, the other one is a raw copy. I was going to do first and second place, but I decided let's just do a winner take all. This way you get a nice slab and you still get to read the book and possibly slab the raw copy. So over here were the 16 filled spots I just showed you. Let's roll the 3 dice. The number is 11. Going to randomize 11 times. Name at the top of the list. We'll get both books. They will ship out tomorrow, November 2nd. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pardon me, it's a little slow. 4. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here comes the final one. Spot 11. Spot 3. Frank Digi. Congratulations. Time is 5:24 and 12.